Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Nassrin and today I'm doing a video on a few different ways to cut cement backer board. First, we're going to start with the razor blade. It's a little harder to cut with, but if you only have a few cuts and you don't want to spend any extra money on these guys, it'll work. First, I'm going to line up a straight edge. You got to push hard. And then I'm going to snap it. Gave us a clean cut. Next up, we have a scoring knife. It costs about $8 and it's made to cut cement backer board. Same thing as the last time. I'm going to line it up and go over it a few times with my scoring knife. All right, it works a lot easier than the razor blade, but you still have to go over it quite a few times. Next, we're going to use the angle grinder with the masonry wheel. Now this thing cuts it really fast, but it makes a lot of dust. And the dust is dangerous to breathe because it has silica in it. So we're going to take it outside and use our goggles and our mask. As you can see, it cut it pretty good, but it was really dusty. Now you can also use a circular saw, but this thing is really dusty as well. So if you have either one of these laying around, you can definitely use them, but remember to do it outside because they make a lot of dust. Now we're going to use the jigsaw with the coarse blade. I like it a little better than the angle grinder or the circular saw because it's easier to cut patterns and it doesn't make as much dust. You can see it gave it a clean, straight cut, but it was still pretty dusty. So I saved the best for last. It's called a Snapper Shear Pro, and it's by far the best tool I've ever used to cut hardy backer. It makes very little dust, and it fits any drill. And that's awesome. I love this tool. They run about $100, but if you're gonna be cutting a lot of hardy backer, it's definitely worth it. That works awesome. Very little dust. I highly recommend this. Now look how easy it is to cut patterns. Bam! Let's say we have a corner to cut out. This will do it no problem. There it is. So you can use any of these if you have them, but this is definitely the best tool to cut hardy backer. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share the video. It's freaking stuck on something. Let me try and just keep going. It's not cutting though. Bye!